Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Next Solutions router. First, carefully unbox your new router and locate the power adapter. Plug the adapter into the router's power input, then connect it to a wall outlet. Next, take an Ethernet cable from your internet modem and plug it into the router's designated WAN port. For initial setup, you might also connect a computer directly to one of the router's LAN ports using another Ethernet cable. Now that your router is powered on and connected, it's time to access its configuration interface. Open any web browser on your computer or a device connected to the router's Wi-Fi. In the address bar, type the router's default IP address, which is commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. You will then be prompted to enter the default username and password, typically admin for both. Once logged in, you'll likely see a quick setup wizard. This guides you through the essential steps. First, configure your internet connection type. This is often DHCP for most cable or fiber connections, or PPPoE for DSL. Next, personalize your wireless network. Choose a distinct name or SSID for your Wi-Fi, making it easy to identify. Crucially, create a robust, unique password for your Wi-Fi to protect your network from unauthorized access. To ensure your network remains secure, there are a few vital steps. First, change the router's default administrative password to a strong, unique one. This prevents unauthorized access to your router settings. Ensure your Wi-Fi uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for the best security. You might also set up a separate guest network for visitors. Finally, remember to periodically check for and install any available firmware updates to keep your router protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.